Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the MQTT protocol. So the MQTT protocol is the base for us to understand the MQTT code. The MQTT protocol, it describes the MQTT data package format. The MQTT data package, it has three parts, okay? So the first part is fixed package head. The second part is variable package head. The last part is payload. Okay. So for the first part, it decided the package type, and the second part, it will have the package setting. The package type decided the package will have the variable head or not. For example, the disconnect control package don't have it doesn't have the variable head. Okay, so in the variable head, we will do the package setting. The package setting will decide the payload data. Will decide the package payload data. Okay, so let's take a look at the description in the MQTT protocol. We can find the MQTT protocol in the website mqtt.org. So it's here, MQTT specification. Click here. So we have 4 versions for the MQTT protocol. This is version 5. Version 3.1.1, version 3.1, and the SN version. Let's take a look at the latest version, version 5. So it has HTML version and PDF format. We click the PDF format. Okay. So this is a detailed description for the MQTT protocol. You can download the document here. Okay, download it from here. And what we can get from the protocol, what we need to understand from the protocol. Let's take a look here first. So the first thing we understand that we needed to understand the MQTT control package format to see whether it will fit the description, fit our description or not. Okay, so click here. So this is the structure of one MQTT control package. As we say, it divided for 3 parts. The first one is a fixed head. Second one is variable head. The last one is payload. In the fixed head, at this position, we'll decide the MQTT control package type. For example, if this value is 1, the package control type will be the connect package. If this value is 2, the package is the connect acknowledge package. Okay, 3, publish data package. Okay, so we will have 15 control type. Okay, we will have 15 control type. So once we have the value here, we will decide the control package type. Once we decided the control package type, we can decide the variable head. Different data package will have the different variable head. Let's take a look at one example. Let's take a look at the connect variable head. Okay, so the connect variable head will be here. The description for the connect variable head is here. So this is detailed information, but we go for the example here. Variable head example for the connect. Okay. This is the whole picture for the connect control package variable head. The first 2 byte is 04. The 4 means the following 4 byte is MQTT. It is the protocol name. It is the protocol name. The next 1 byte is the version name. Here the value is 5, means the MQTT version is version 5. The following byte is the setting for the username, password, real information, clean information. Is like this. For this byte, it like switch. When we set the 1 here, means we open the setting. When we set the 0 here, means we close the setting. For example, for the username, if we set the 1 here, means we will use the username to connect the server. If we set the 1 here, we will use the password to connect the server. If this 2B is 0 or 0, so we will not use the username and password. Okay. And where will to setting the actually username and password? For example, the username is Michael. The password is 123458. Where will setting the actually username and password? It will in the connect payroll. Connect payroll is the third part. Okay, it's the third part. It will in the connect payroll. In this part, it will in this order. Okay, to setting the username and the password. Okay, in the order, the first one will be the client identify, and the second one will the wheel properties, wheel topics, and the wheel payroll. Username and password will follow at this position. Okay, in the connect payroll. Okay. So this is a flag. This is a flag for us to setting the flag tell us to setting the username or not, to setting the password or not. Okay. So next 2 byte is the keep alive time setting. Next is the properties setting. Okay. Is the properties setting. So this is the example. This is the example for the connect control package variable head. Okay, so it is the second part for the connect control package. Okay. Okay. So the third part, the payroll will according the setting in the second part to present the payroll data according this order. Okay, according this order. So this is for connect control package. In the protocol, it described every control type. Okay, every control type format. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is for the connect control. This is connect fixed head, variable head, and this is connect payroll. Let's take a look. This one is for the connect acknowledge control package fixed state head, variable head, and payload. It described everything for each control package. Okay. We don't need to remember everything in the protocol. When we see something in the code we didn't understand, we can go back to search the information in the protocol to understand the code, to match the code, to understand why we need setting the code like this. Okay, so this is why we need to understand the MQTT protocol first. It described every setting for our MQTT communication. Okay. So this is this video. In this video, we roughly discuss about the MQTT protocol. And I'm Michael, and see you next time.